Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. So today I've got my art class and then it's already like 2 hours and already finished basically. So I will stroll around to showing you how it is in Poznan, Poland. And yeah, now I am in the area of the central business district, especially behind me is the Sheraton Hotel and next to it is the Baltic building, and there are so many nice restaurants, and I think also there is exhibition here. So yeah, the weather actually changed. Previous days it was a nice, bright, sunny, but now it seems like cloudy everywhere. Look at these colorful walls. It's amazing, isn't it? So here in front of me, this building is actually Sheraton Hotel. And in front of me is I think that the complex of the restaurant next to the Sheraton Hotel. And look at this. And this one, the skyscrapers, this is called Baltic. I think this one is the central business building as well. So yeah, I'll take you to stroll around basically, and I think that there are some exhibition here, and I don't know what is it, Kantor Baltic. I think this one is a kind of Bitcoin office, and around me this one is I think that exhibition. And then look at this one. This is another corporate building, and down there is the Starbucks, and here is another restaurant, Concordia Taste. Nice. So yeah, this is how it is. Actually the area where so many things happening, and that's this building. Nice. Showing you actually the place. Look, you go to London around 1100 kilometers from here. Prague, Budapest, Bucharest, Paris, Brno. As one thing, Poland is in Central Europe, so wherever you go, this is the distance. And look at this statue. I learned arts actually in my class, but it's still hard for me to interpret what is actually this statue meaning. I really like to stroll and see how beautiful the flowers blooming. I think that we will go somewhere here. Let's go down and show you how it is the underpass like this. I think that once I showing you how it is, and it's very nice, clean. So we will go to Poznania and let's take this tram. I chose the wrong tram. I supposed to be from this side, but I took this side, so yeah. This is me. I just jump out and take another tram. Let's go. Look at this, the park in front of me. I got totally lost. I took wrong tram and I just landed in the one nice green park. So that's the tram number 18. I think this one is the correct tram, and this is the traffic situation. I just arrived in Poznania Mall. Yes, the weather is like this, cloudy. It's gonna be raining soon. So I plan to buy some of the Asian food products here, because I think that on the weekend we will have a kind of a gathering within, with all the Asian friends that I have in my art class. So now I plan to go shopping to prepare it. So yeah, let's see what I will buy inside. So I'm already inside the Poznania Mall. I think this one is the most complete mall that I see here in Poznan. So let's go to the one Asian shop here. So many imported food. I will buy something here. Let's see. I found my Indomie goreng from Indonesia for Swati only. I will buy one. And also there are so many imported fruit from Thailand, from China. And this one, my ketchup manis ABC. Let's see. So many important drink from Japan like this. I found my tempeh here in tofu. Let's see. And look at this. I found my tempeh fermented soya. And gyoza. And this one. Many things. Look at this. They have rendang paste. Nice. Very nice. Oh, okay. To realize the rendang paste unique flavors of Singapore. Rendang is from Indonesia. Look at this drink. Komodo frozen mojito. But the name is Komodo. Mentos. So many things. Very nice. Look, interesting drink tamarind from Mexico. Very nice. Wow, so many imported food from Japan. So literally everything here in Poznan. Even they have Ajinomoto MSG, but this one made in France. Interesting. So they have a food also from Ireland, like this. Mexico, Ireland, Swiss, Mexico, Argentina, USA, Mexico, British. From Australia, Vegemite. For those of you Aussie viewers, this is the food from your country. From India, American, Holland, Belgium. So many things. Okay, I shopped today about 27 zloty. I bought a mie goreng, tempe, and also rendang. So yeah, time to go home. So I will take the tram number 3 or 16 to go to the Mostia trailnya. The same. I just arrived home. It was a big raining and windy. Yeah, the weather here is just like slightly changing. So yeah, I have to rush to come back home, and I will prepare dinner for Damian. Damian will come home soon. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.